Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. LED work light from Parkside Performance, the model PALS 100A1. Bright LED module with a cool white light. Power consumption 100 watts, max socket load 2500 watts, 10,000 lumen, color temperature 6500 K, cable length 3 meters. Compared with the regular model, this one has up to 200% greater lumen. IP54 housing, power socket with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, that is huge. There you are. You can't miss the thick cable. It is so thick. I like that. A good quality. 3 meters the length. Wow. Love it. Parkside Performance. The LED panel. Glass. Good quality. Equipped with energy-efficient LED light, providing bright and long-lasting illumination. Features an adjustable stand for flexible positioning and optimal lighting angles. You can adjust. Wow. We have these two huge knobs. Tight. Find the right position. It doesn't move. Perfect. Metal housing. Plastic around. Soft elements at the four corners. Offers two brightness levels with this switch. Second, off and on, allowing users to tailor the light intensity to specific needs. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. You can even mount it permanently with this metal bracket. We have 3 screw holes. Adjust again and tight with the knobs. Metal at the back to cool down the LED light. It has a durable construction built with sturdy materials to withstand regular use in various environments. And features a built-in socket on the back, maximum 2500 watts, enabling the connection of additional tools or devices directly to the work light. So if you have only one socket to connect this work light, it is very convenient. You're not going to lose your socket. You can connect your tool here. There you have it. So let's plug it in. And at the back I can connect this heat gun. Together with the light. Just using this on-off switch. It is huge, okay? And let's turn it on, see the brightness at the night. Benefits of the work LED light. Bright illumination. LED technology ensures bright illumination and consistent light for repairs and maintenance tasks. Flexibility. Adjustable stand and portable design allow for versatile use in different settings. Energy efficiency. LED light consumes less power, making it an eco-friendly choice. Durability, sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance. And that's the Parkside Performance Work LED light, a powerful, durable and versatile lighting solution for any workspace, whether you are tackling DIY projects, automotive repairs or outdoor tasks. This work light provides reliable brightness and flexibility when you need it most. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool reviews, workshop gadgets and hands-on demonstrations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bright, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.